Most people use miracle leaf wrongly, and it can actually irritate your stomach or even stress your liver if taken excessively. But when used correctly, this simple backyard plant can support wound healing, reduce inflammation, and even help with certain infections. In this video, I'll show you 5 science-supported benefits of miracle leaf, how to prepare it safely, and who should never use it. If you care about natural healing the right way, stay with me. Welcome to Yaraz. I'm Victoria Udofia. What is miracle leaf? This is one of the questions I get asked on daily basis. Miracle leaf, scientifically known as Bryophyllum pinnatum, is a succulent plant commonly found in tropical regions like Nigeria. It is also called life plant, restoration plant, a plant. Traditionally, it has been used for wound healing, cough, infections, kidney issues. But what does science actually say about it? Let's break it down smoothly. 1. It supports wound healing. Research shows that Bryophyllum pinnatum contains flavonoids, tannin, alkaloids. These compounds have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Traditionally, people wash the leaf, crush it, apply the juice directly to minor cuts or boils. While it works for them, because it helps reduce bacterial growth, may speed up skin repair, reduces swelling. Only use on small, clean wounds. Do not apply on deep or infected wounds without medical care. 2. It may help reduce inflammation. Inflammation is linked to joint pain, swelling, minor injuries. Some studies suggest extract of miracle leaf shows anti-inflammatory effects. Traditional method. You pick one fresh leaf and wash it thoroughly, then crush and soak in warm water. Drink small quantity once daily. Do not overuse because excess consumption may irritate the digestive system. 3. It may support respiratory health. In traditional medicine, miracle leaf is used for cough, asthma symptoms, chest congestion. How it is being used. Juice the leaf and mix with a small amount of honey and drink. The possible reason is it may help relax airway muscles and reduce irritation. But please note, this is supportive care, not a replacement for asthma medication. So you wouldn't say she says it's a replacement for asthma medication. And if symptoms are severe, seek medical attention. 4. It may have antimicrobial properties. Some laboratory studies shows that extracts from Bryophyllum pinnatum may inhibit certain bacteria. This explains why it has been traditionally used for ear infections. The leaf is being juiced, then the juice drop into the ear drum. Skin infections and mouth sores. Never put unsterilized leaf juice directly inside the ear without medical advice. That can cause complications. So that you won't say that she said that in those days traditionally our foreparents used it to treat ears infection. They do it in the right way. They take the leaves and juice it, then drop it on the ear, in the ear. 5. It may support kidney and urinary health, traditionally used only. In some African and Asian traditions, miracle leaf is used for kidney stones, urinary discomfort. It is believed to help relax smooth muscles, support urine flow. However, scientific evidence in humans is still limited. So use with caution and never as a substitute for proper diagnosis. Now, who should use miracle leaf and who should not use miracle leaves? Avoid or consult a doctor if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, on blood pressure medication or on liver medication, giving it to children. Why? It is because some compounds in the plant, cardiac glycosides, may affect heart rhythms if taken in large amounts. Natural does not always mean safe in high doses. I like saying this in my videos, so if you haven't watched any of my video yet, you never to go through my channel playlist and watch so you could understand why I like saying that. How should you use it? The safe usage guidelines. If using internally, 1 small fresh leaf per day. Wash thoroughly. Do not boil for too long. Do not use continuously for weeks without a break. For topical usage, clean the leaves, crush freshly, apply to clean skin. Stop immediately if you notice nuisance, vomiting, dizziness, or rapid heartbeat. Now, the common mistake people make are taking too many leaves at once, mixing with alcohol, using without washing properly, using it to treat serious infection instead of seeing a doctor. That is where danger comes in. And you say she said we should use it. I like saying that even while you are administering this in a small dose, a small quantity, endeavor to seek medical advice if the symptoms of what you use it to try to heal persist. Miracle leaf, Bryophyllum pinnatum, is a powerful traditional plant with promising scientific backing, but it must be used wisely. Yes, you have to use it wisely because herbs are supportive tools, not magic cures. If you use it and said it to heal you overnight, in the next 1 minute, in the next 2 minutes, in the next 5 minutes, in the next 2 hours, my dear, you might have another thing coming in. Yes, because I like telling you that herbs are supportive tools, not magic cures, and you should always consult a professional health personnel if symptoms persist. So, we are here now. If you find this video helpful, endeavor to subscribe to Yaraz channel for more health educational advice, tips on how to use herbs, etc. See you in my next video.